So, hello everyone. So, this is my first video and my first model. One summer day, I was just browsing YouTube when videos about red shots started popping up in my recommendations. I decided I want to join this community. But here's the catch: my pockets were practically empty, and even if I had some money in my pocket, being Russian means I wouldn't have bought any VRChat avatar anyway, because here's no way to do it. So I made up my mind and I created one myself. And now I'm going to show you how it works and what features it currently has. Unfortunately, it's not yet ready for tubing or VRChat. My laptop simply can't handle this. So let's get this started. I'm going insane. I just want to make a model of Mr. Puzzles. Fun model, of course. But my laptop is piece of shit! As you can guess already about this video. But yeah, so bye. Finally. Completely. Yeah.